Please don't try this with a real baby, okay? It's dangerous. Hi everyone, it's Darling Dolls and welcome back to my channel. A new doll just arrived today and we are going to unbox it. I don't know what's inside, I just know it's a doll. So let's open it up. Look at this, it's so cute! It's called the Bellies from Bellyville. 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 She has a blanket. She's really in there good. The bottle doesn't want to come out either. Some papers. We'll look at those in a minute. And a pacifier. Her name is Muak Muak. Muak Muak? Muak Muak? And you can change her diaper. Oh my gosh! There's a popo in the diaper. So gross. Just kidding. It's just a sticker. Let's just put her down on her blanket. Just in case she popo some more sticker popo. She has lavender eyebrows, blue eyes, and coral lipstick, which is unusual for a baby because usually they wear red. She has a big round tummy that makes her look cute, and she has all these holes in her tummy where her voice and sounds come from. Oh, look, she has a cute little tushy and a birthmark. Ooh, good magnet. She can really hold her pacifier. She has a bottle too, but you have to hold that for her. It's a solid piece, so you can't fill it up with anything. She also comes with stickers, so you can decorate her feeding bottle if you like. She can sit up on her own, but she seems to have trouble on soft surfaces. So you need to put her on something flat. So the batteries are in her head. You twist the head like so. And there's the battery compartment. You need a screwdriver to open it up. And she takes 2 AAA batteries. Very easy. Now that the batteries are in, let's hear what she has to say. When you first turn her on, you can hear the sound of her heart beating for about 20 seconds. And then she starts to babble. Isn't she so cute? If you shake her, she says her name. Please don't try this with a real baby, okay? It's dangerous. No, no, no. So, I think this baby doll is really cute. It's recommended for 2-year-olds. And I think they would have a great time with it because of all the babbling and the sounds. Just have to make sure the doll doesn't end up getting wet because it will ruin the sounds, obviously. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please like and share or leave a comment. Thank you for watching and subscribing. See you again next time. Matane.